Hello, Freunde. Welcome back to my channel, Learn German My Way. Ich heiße Aparna, and today we are going to learn numbers from 20 till 100. Die Zahlen von 20 bis 100. Los geht's! As we have already learned numbers from 1 bis 20, today let's get started with 20. 20, 20, 21. 1 und 20. 22, 2 und 20. 23, 3 und 20. Now let's check how do we pronounce 30. 30, 30. 40, 40, 40. 50, 50, 50. 60, 60, 60. 70, 70, 70. 80, 80, 80. 90, 90, 90. We will keep 100 for the last one. So did you see how this 20, 50, 30, 40 goes on? Are you able to find a pattern in this? So the letter in English, TY for 30, gets substituted with SISH. So 40, 50, and so on. Likewise, when you start with 21, 22, 23 or 31, 32, 33, you can also see a pattern there. You have to start from behind. Go from the backwards and you will land up safe. So let's try and pronounce some other numbers as well. 44, 4 und 40. 47, 17 und 40. And 100. 100 is also called 100 oder 100. Like in English, you can call 100 also and just 100 also. The same way, if you want to say 100, you'll say 100 oder 100. So now, as we have seen that from 21, 22, 23, you have to go from the backwards and then try and pronounce the number. So it is 21, 31, 41, and so on. You can also try doing it with random numbers. Just pick up a paper or a newspaper and try locating for a certain number and repeat it loud in German. This will help you improve your learning skills. Now let's play a small quiz here. Was für Zahlen sind das? That means, what are these numbers called? I'll show you some numbers here and you have to write down in your notebooks or you have to try and spell out these numbers as I have taught you. The first number is 34. 34. It is 34. Now the next number is 75. 75. 75. 75. So you see how easy it is to learn numbers in German? Now, a little Hausaufgabe for you. A little homework for you. You all have to write down 5 numbers for me in the comments down below in Deutsch. Awaiting your comments below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Bis später. Tschüss.